Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the YNAB application. So let's get started right away. Now if you have forgotten your password on the YNAB application, then in order to reset this, first of all, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the app and then go into Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on the Logout button to log out from your account, and now you will be taken into the login page. Within this page, just tap on Forgot Password underneath the login button, and you will now be asked to enter your email address that you have used while signing up for your account. Just type in your email address and then click on the Send Reset Instructions button. You will now be told to check your inbox. When you check your email, you will find the reset instructions from YNAB. Go ahead and open it up, and then tap on the Reset Password link that you see within. After tapping on this link, you will now be allowed to enter your desired new password. Just type in your desired new password and then tap on the Save Password button. And now your password has successfully been reset on the YNAB application. You can now tap on the Login button to proceed with logging in to your account using your newly set up password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.